Hey, what's going on, traders? In this video, I'm going to break down the stock that I personally think will be the first stock I ever make six figures on. Now, it's my second winningest stock of all time. I've already made over $30,000 profit on the stock. I still see a lot more upside potential to come with upcoming key catalysts. The charts look great, and the stock's already making me much more money. So I'm going to get right into it, look at the charts, my price target for the next month or 2 or 3 weeks, as well as some of the catalysts that I think are going to come out in the next coming weeks. So all that and more coming right up. Also, quick announcement, we did come out with some new merch, some long sleeve t-shirts. Now this is the back and this is the front. We also have a gray, again this is the front and this is the back. If you guys are interested, they are a tri-blend. If you guys want to pick yourself up a shirt, DM the Instagram at Profit Chasers or comment down below and we'll work it out. They're $25 a piece and we do ship. Also, another big announcement, if you guys follow me on TikTok or Instagram, you probably know about the business venture I joined. I actually made my own pre-workout, actually Pump Chasers Athletics, still the same logo, but it's an awesome blend. Again, this is a pre-workout if you guys are into the gym and stuff like that. So if you guys want to pick up a bottle, don't hesitate to DM me or comment down below. Also, if you guys found this video helpful or you added these stock picks to your watch list, please consider liking and subscribing. That'll help me make more videos for you guys to find more awesome stock picks. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so the ticker symbol, or the ticker symbols, because there's two stocks, is HOL. That's my personal favorite one. This is a SPAC play. It's merging with Astra. They are pretty much, like I said, the FedEx of Space. If you guys are part of our team, again, this is the first link in the description to join our Discord, 100% free. We talk about this stock religiously. I talked about buying it at $12, $11.80. I even bought it at $11.20, and I talk about it almost on the daily because I make so much money off of it, and it's a very predictable stock, and it has relatively little to no risk. Just because it's a SPAC, it almost physically cannot go below $10. And so $11 to $12 is an insane pickup. We talked about it. Most of my team members are actually invested in this stock because they know I see a lot of value in it, so they also picked some up. They're already up over $1 share, some $1.50, because we bought it at $11, $12 yesterday, and it had a really nice run up today, about 10% gain on the day off the high. It has come down a little bit. The other one, their competitor, is VACQ. This is Rocket Labs. They actually did have just a successful flight launch in the aftermarket. That's why I had such a nice run up. This is the next space race. I think these two stocks, you couldn't go wrong with investing in one of them. Space is the future, and Space Colony that I made just about $20,000 on the stock, and this was just a few days ago over my honeymoon. But I actually made another $12,000 profit, like I said there, in the hedge fund account on it today. So a total of $32,000, and I really am excited to see the upside potential on HOL just because its last high was in the 20s. Like I said, there's gonna be a lot of catalysts coming up, and the one that has a lot of people on the edge of their seat is if ARKX's new space ETF is going to add HOL or Astra in it. I personally believe they'd be crazy not to, because there's just a few limited amount of space stocks you can actually play. I think this is one of the higher end ones. So if that gets added and it's added to the ARKX space ETF, I really think there's a very good chance to see the 20s again in the near future. Now again, that's coming out in the next few weeks, so we'll see as it further entails, but I'm fairly confident because, as you can see in the screenshot right here, there's a lot of big buys recently, 20, 30,000 share buys, and they weren't me. Now the biggest buy, or the biggest amount of shares I've had in this company is about 16,000 shares, but I did sell it the other day because it had a very aggressive run up, and I decided to try to buy in lower, and again, worked for me. The next upcoming catalysts are, they do have a scheduled few test flights in the upcoming months, as well as their merger date is not yet disclosed, but it is in Q2, so in the upcoming months, it is going to merge with Helicity and just become traded under Astra. Now the volume traded on this stock, I've seen days where it's under a million shares traded, and today it was just over 2 million shares, so doubled the amount of float. So the flow is increasing, the watchers are increasing on all various platforms. I remember watching this on StockTwits at about 1,000 members. Now it's over 10,000 members. And it also has a lot of awesome articles that came out of it calling it the FedEx of Space. There's a lot of awesome hype around the stock, and it's just the beginning. As you can see, going over to the charts, the MACD lines did just cross, and the RSI was at a fairly good level. Again, I broke that down in our team's Discord when it was at $12 a share, and now it's at $14. But it is making higher highs. It tended to double bottom, and it seemed to find a bottom around 12. That's fairly normal for SPACs, just because the floor is 10, and I think 12 is a good deal for it. But I think you're going to start seeing this chart curl up as it makes higher highs. Now, the normal average for the shareholders right now is currently at about 1530 to 1560. So a lot of people are actually in the red currently still on this stock. It doesn't surprise me because the stock actually was in the 20s at one point. As a great leadership team, it has some Apple CEOs on it. It has some people on the team that actually worked on the Falcon 9 Heavy over at SpaceX. So it has a ton of awesome talent over there. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so I suggest you guys do your own due diligence on the stock and read their investor profile on their website. So go check that out. I would break it down, but I actually did already break it down in a different video. So if you guys want to go check that out, it is right on their website. Now, for me, I am waiting to buy more off of a slight dip. I think there will be tomorrow at open. I would like to buy it off of the 9 EMA at around the 1350 to 1340 price. That would give me more comfortability and more of a 50-cent swing or half a dollar swing per share for me at around 10 to 20,000 shares. That could be a $10,000 to $20,000 swing, sorry, $5,000 to $10,000 swing. So I'd like to get down in the lower 13s if possible, but then again, I really think you are going to see some profit takers in the 15 and 16s. So I wouldn't doubt it if it did reach in the 15 or 16s the next upcoming days. And then you did see a nice little sell-off. So a quick review, there's a lot of awesome upcoming catalysts. There's more volume coming in. There's big buyers coming in. There's a lot more viewage as the more articles roll out on this stock. As you can see, if you go over to the live news tab, there were some few articles posted today. As you can see, the Ford, FedEx, and Microsoft of Space. So as you can see, more and more eyes are watching it, which generally means more buyers. So if you guys have any other questions of why I see value in the stock, don't hesitate to DM me, ask me on Discord, or comment down below any questions you have on the stock, like I said, or any questions in general about trading, or any stocks you want to see a video like this on of my personal opinion. But other than that, guys, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video.